Hey guys, Christian. Today we're taking a look at Transformers Legacy United Rescue Bot Universe Chase. Before we get started, the character of Chase from Transformers Rescue Bots has been part of my childhood ever since the beginning. So this figure is literally a part of me. Yeah, and you know what? 1 second. Alright, give me a second. There we go. New Sonic screwdriver, just got for Christmas. Thanks, Christy and Uncle Todd. Now, this is a the deluxe class, I believe. I don't know, the box kind of got blown up by me. Anyway, on to posability. Head is on a ball joint. You can depose, you can bend, swivel, and arms can go. And this is not part of transformation. I think it was supposed to, but they kind of spoofed it. And I can do that. Thanks to this, I love these 3-point systems. Sadly, the permanent trunk butt prevents the that. Feet can pivot in the wrong direction. This is part of transformation, by the way. Oh, spolt like a champ. That's what she said. Anyway, so that's comparison. My bottle. The 10th Dr. Sonic screwdriver. Oh, the green warp pipe from last year. My wallet. And an Allen wrench. This figure comes with the usual accessories you find on him. These two doohickeys. And you'll love this. His power up and energized claw. This was something from the show where they'd go take it out of some sort of spatial dimension and say power up and energize. And it'd be like, it was a tool created by Doc Green in the show, which is basically a tool the rescue bots use to perform the rescues or arrests or whatever they needed to do that day. That makes sense. Other than that, let's get on to transformation. Now, transformation is pretty amazing. They really engineered this so that it basically transforms like in the show. It doesn't transform exactly like the show. The legs don't, the arms don't go up, the thing doesn't come over, and But they engineered it in a way so that if you're a stop motion whiz, you could, fake the transformation. But to transform the figure, what they do is take the feet. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, sorry about that. Just take the side panel. Second, I need to go check the instructions again. Alright, so what you're first supposed to do is take the legs, split them open like that. Then, you're supposed to open them like this. Then, you're supposed to fold the toe, fold this all around, close up the headlight. You gotta have it. Then spin the leg round, and then do the same steps for the other side, and then merge them together. You should have the front half of a police cruiser. Now take the front, open up where the thing is, and fold it over Chase's head. Legs, and there you go. Fold the arms up, around, and back like so. The arms, and there you go. That's how you're supposed to do it. So on this side, take the arm, and around, back, and then we'll this bit under, stays under, slowly lose your mind, and there we go. Now, that's a car, so visibility is kind of moot. In comparison to the one from the show, and it's a really good modern interpretation. And I can easily see someone repainting this, retooling it to remove the light bar and retooling the head, which sadly, no boof. Boof check mission fail. Anyway, light bar removal. If someone uses the light bar, retools the head, and yeah, it's really nice TFP do all the way up here, and one make a quick cameo from the first episode. Wait, this trailer review ain't done yet. It's not just this figure we're taking. Okay, let's take a look at the Doctor Who 10th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. Now, I got this for Christmas, thanks to my lovely aunt and uncle. Thank you, because I really wanted a Sonic Screwdriver. So, ooh. Anyway, the Sonic Screwdriver works like all Sonic Screwdrivers. You point, you push, and does stuff. Next then, it makes multiple sounds. You got your standard. You also got you got another version of the standard. Also, there are two buttons because this is the older version. So yeah, one can attach because the 9th version had like a little pen thing. And you right, and then just reveal it with black light. This is technically a black light, so yeah. Anyway, on to the next review. Ow. This one's a chunker. This is Transformers Armada Universe Class Megatron, and I actually have the box for this review of this figure. Look at it in all its foxy glory. It again is a Classe Leader, Classe Leader. Anyway, back some yada yada promo and Evo Fusion. Steps, tank, bot, some words and stuff, and that baby. And Hasbro, Lego Mumble Jumbo, Recycle, obligatory products such Tarn, Leo Convoy, Vaticons, Convoy, Tarn, Seekers, I believe that's Medics, the Dinobots, some Junkians, obligatory product shot, and that's for the package. Now let's get on to the main event, shall we? I swear, this is like in the vein of MGO. Anyway, this is Leader Class Armada Universe Megatron. And yeah, it's pretty faithful. I mean, here's the original artwork for comparison. Anyway, visibility, it is on a ball joint, and the little things here are very fiddly. I'm probably gonna have to get my father to. I'm gonna buy some super glue and hyper glue them and craggle them into place, and then yeah, arms can bend down due to transformation. Do not tab in. Arms can bend up in. They are tight. You can reach for that. Up. Rotate. In. Rotate. Yeah. Waist rotation. Hustle transformation. Legs can kick on a very stiff ratchet. Out. So it can bend. Here. It appears to be a pivot. Oh, there we are. A very stiff pivot. Pivot. Histo Cristo. Anyway, the main gimmick of Armada was that you'd have like smaller figures. And I think I've got like a Micromaster or something around here. Nope, not here. And then there was these little figures that would swoop down and attach into a port, which would activate their upgrade. In terms of Megatron, sometimes it would just be a simple or sometimes it would be an above and beyond. You would just flip this entire thing around, and sometimes it'd be shown. Well, this would be a little lower. Good thing they designed against that. Good on ya. Anyway, let's get him back to his regular form. Alright, there we go. And I realized that this arm was on the wrong side. So, anyway, on to transformation, shall we? Okay, I'm out. Spin. Up. Hope it didn't go with a big ugly backpack. Anyway, let's get on transformation, shall we? The transformation is surprisingly simple. You just take the arms and all the way up after you folded your hands. Again, this is the first video after Christmas, so yeah. Anyway, yep. Repeat the same steps on the other side. So, open your hand, open up the flugel cavity. Close up the flugel cavity. Have the antenna fall right off. Off again. Blades. You get them like this. The legs are now fold the turret forward. Now the legs are literally like the toy. Yeah, just open the side cavity, and you just whoops. Turn the waist. Sorry, I'm getting flustered. I just got this for Christmas, literally today. And now you just gotta accordion it up and into place. Open it up, fold the blade joint in, fold the toes and maybe not just got a mean master. Thanks, Juno. Anyway, you're not done yet, because now, here's where things get a bit controversial. Now, here's the thing. You think this counts as a booth? I mean, the head's literally right there. I mean, it's part of the vehicle, but the face is covered. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is the first ever booth task failed successfully.
Ooh, whoa. Is this the first review with no booth? Oh! God, okay.
Can you put me on the lightsaber test?
Ladies and gentlemen, Nicholas Saxon.
Hello, I'm just trying to test something.
My little brother, everyone. Discuss it down in the comments. If most people say it's a booth, then that's not a booth. If it's not a booth, then I won't. No, take load. This is pretty faithful to the original, and yeah, it's a pretty faithful H tank. Falls like one to be good, right? Rolling. I mean, Megatron would be the one to we won't give a damn about Decepticon or whatever. He would definitely be the one to just straight up wreck everything in front of him. And just blows it up. Anyway, that's the review. Not your standard Transformania. Not your standard review either. Yeah. Let's go watch it. Wait, hold on. Poos. Now we're done. Now I'll see you all next time. See you.